Okay dear, so here you seen it clearly. Today we are going to make practice on two-step equation. In two-step equation, it means that the equation which we simplify within two steps. Similarly, in previous class we make practice on how to simplify one-step equation. Understand? This is similar, is just like one-step equation, but we have additional one step. That's why we consider it two-step. So here you seen it clearly, we have equation which is 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. We use the same rule that we used for one step equation, just like we move the constant to the other side of equality. Now you seen it clearly, it's become negative 3 because you know that is due to the rule of algebra. When we switch any constant to the other side of equality, it will switch its sign. Understand? The value remain same. So here you seen it clearly, this is positive 3. When we switch it to the other side, that's become negative 3. So we get 2x is equal to 4 negative 3. After that, when we simplify it, we get 2x is equal to 1 because you seen it clearly, 4 negative 3 we get 1. Now here I just need only value for x, but in this case we have 2x, so that's why we divide both sides on 2. Understand? Because I want to cancel out 2 and 2, and I get the answer is 1 over 2. Understand? You have any question? Are you here, me dear? Okay, dear, tell me, you have any question about this?
No.
Good. I'll simplify second question for you. Let's suppose we have 3x is equal to either 3x add into 3 is equal to 12. How we simplify this? Similarly, we use the same rule. First we identify which one is the constant on variable terms. This is constant, I am right?
Yeah.
We move this onto other side of equality. From left hand side we switch it to right hand side. So now we get 3x is equal to 12 negative 3. Good. And here you seen it clearly, 3x is equal to 12 negative 3 we get
3 negative 3 we get 9.
good. Now dear, you seen it clearly, I need only value for x, but here we have 3x, so that's why we divide both sides by 3. Understand? Now you seen it clearly, from here 3 and 3 cancel out each other. Good. Where x is equal to how much?
Equal to 2.
No, 3. Because 9 divided on 3, we
9
get
divided by 3, okay, so
3.
yeah.
Got it? Again,
Yeah.
you check that how we simplify this question. First of all, we identify what is the constant term in left hand side. In left hand side we have positive 3.
Yeah.
Positive 3, good. We switch this into other side of equality, that's become negative 3.
Yeah.
Good. It will switch its sign because we move to the right side of equality from left side. Now here you seen it clearly, we get 3x is equal to 12 negative 3. Now after that we get, when we simplify this, we get 3x is equal to 9. And again the x coefficient is 3, but I need only the value of x. So that's why we divide both sides on 3. So from here you seen it clearly, 3 and 3 cancel out each other and we get 9 over 3, which is equal to the value of x is equal to 3. Understand?
Yeah.
You have any question?
No.
I think if you make practice on it, If I drop one question here, can you make practice on this?